Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that affects many people: the foods that can help dissolve blood clots naturally. Blood clots can pose serious health risks, leading to conditions like heart attacks and strokes. Therefore, prevention is critical. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can significantly maintain healthy blood flow. This video will explore surprising and delicious options that enhance your meals and support cardiovascular health. From vibrant fruits to aromatic spices, these natural remedies can help reduce the risk of clot formation and promote overall wellness. So, if you're looking to boost your health and learn about the power of nutrition in preventing blood clots, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we uncover these incredible foods that might change the way you think about your diet and health. Let's get started on this journey to a healthier you. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding blood clots. Blood clots form gel-like masses when blood cells and proteins stick together to stop bleeding. While they are crucial in healing injuries, they can become dangerous when they form inappropriately within blood vessels. When a clot obstructs blood flow, it can lead to serious health issues, including heart attacks and strokes. The risks associated with blood clots are significant, as they can disrupt the flow of oxygen-rich blood to vital organs. For instance, a clot in the coronary arteries can trigger a heart attack, while a clot in the brain can result in a stroke. Recognizing the warning signs of blood clots is essential for timely intervention. Symptoms may include swelling, pain, redness in the affected area, sudden shortness of breath, or chest pain. Awareness of these signs can help you seek medical attention promptly, potentially saving your life. Understanding blood clots is the first step in protecting your health. Warning signs of blood clots. Recognizing the warning signs of blood clots is crucial for early detection and prevention of severe health issues. Some common symptoms to watch include swelling in the affected area, which may feel warm to the touch. Pain or tenderness, especially if it feels different from typical aches, can also indicate a clot. Skin discoloration, such as a reddish or bluish hue, is another vital sign. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to seek medical attention immediately. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to severe complications, including life-threatening conditions like heart attacks or strokes. Early detection is critical in managing blood clots effectively. The sooner you address these symptoms, the better your chances of preventing serious health issues. Remember, your health is paramount. Being proactive can make all the difference. Stay informed and vigilant about your body's signals, and don't hesitate to contact a healthcare professional if something feels off. Foods that promote circulation. Good circulation is vital for overall health and significantly prevents blood clots. When blood flows freely throughout the body, it helps deliver essential nutrients and oxygen to organs and tissues, reducing the risk of clot formation. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can enhance circulation and support your cardiovascular system. Garlic is one such food known for its circulation-boosting properties. It contains compounds that help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Similarly, ginger is another powerful ingredient that can enhance circulation by reducing inflammation and promoting healthy blood flow. Adding these foods to your meals benefits your health and adds flavor to your dishes. Consider incorporating garlic into your cooking or enjoying ginger tea as a refreshing beverage. By making these simple dietary changes, you can support your circulation and contribute to your overall well-being. So, let's embrace these delicious foods and take a proactive step towards better health. Best fruits to dissolve blood clots. Certain fruits stand out due to their rich antioxidant content, which promotes cardiovascular health and potentially dissolves blood clots. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Oranges are another excellent choice, as they are high in vitamin C and flavonoids, which support healthy blood vessels. Grapes, mainly red and purple varieties, contain resveratrol, a compound known for its heart-protective properties. Incorporating these fruits into your daily meals can be both delicious and beneficial. Start your day with a berry smoothie or add some berries to your morning oatmeal. For a refreshing snack, enjoy orange slices or a grape salad. You can also toss berries into your salads or use them as a topping for yogurt. Including these fruits in your diet can enhance your overall health while enjoying their delightful flavors. Let's make these heart-healthy fruits a staple in our meals. Herbs and spices for blood clot prevention. Incorporating certain herbs and spices into your diet can be a flavorful way to prevent blood clots. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, helps improve blood flow and can reduce the risk of clot formation. Similarly, cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which adds a spicy kick to your dishes, promotes circulation, and helps keep blood vessels healthy. Using these herbs and spices in your cooking is easy and can enhance the flavor of your meals. Add turmeric to soups, stews, or rice dishes for a warm, earthy flavor. Cayenne pepper can be sprinkled on roasted vegetables or mixed into sauces for an extra zing. Feel free to experiment with these ingredients in your kitchen. Incorporating turmeric and cayenne pepper into your meals while savoring delicious flavors can have health benefits. Let's spice up our diets for better health. Healthy fats that help. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet supports cardiovascular health and prevents blood clots. Two excellent sources of healthy fats are olive oil and avocados. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Similarly, avocados are packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, making them a fantastic addition to any meal. These healthy fats are crucial in maintaining optimal blood flow and reducing the risk of clot formation. By replacing unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats found in processed foods, with these nutritious options, you can significantly enhance your heart health. Consider drizzling olive oil over salads or using it as a base for dressings. Avocados can be enjoyed in smoothies, spread on toast, or added to salads for a creamy texture. By making these simple swaps, you can nourish your body with healthy fats that support your cardiovascular system and overall well-being. Hydration and blood clot prevention. Staying adequately hydrated is a vital yet often overlooked aspect of blood clot prevention. When your body is well hydrated, it helps to thin the blood, making it less likely to clot. Dehydration can lead to thicker blood, increasing the risk of clots forming in your veins and arteries. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain optimal hydration. A good rule of thumb is to consume at least 8 8-ounce glasses, but individual needs may vary based on activity level and climate. Incorporating hydrating foods into your diet can further support your fluid intake. Fruits like watermelon, oranges, and cucumbers are excellent choices that provide both hydration and essential nutrients. Encourage yourself to monitor your fluid intake daily and make adjustments to ensure you're meeting your hydration goals. By prioritizing hydration, you can significantly contribute to cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of blood clots. Let's make hydration a crucial part of our daily routine. Lifestyle changes to prevent blood clots. Making specific lifestyle changes can significantly reduce the risk of blood clots and enhance your overall health. One of the most effective modifications is incorporating regular exercise into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, as this helps improve circulation and maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, it's crucial to avoid prolonged sitting, especially during long travel or work hours. Make it a habit to stand up, stretch, and move around every hour to keep your blood flowing. Quitting smoking is another vital step in preventing blood clots. Smoking damages blood vessels and increases clotting risk, so seeking support to quit can have profound health benefits. Similarly, reducing alcohol intake can help maintain a healthy weight and improve cardiovascular health. By adopting these lifestyle changes, you can create a healthier environment for your body and significantly lower your risk of blood clots. Let's commit to these positive changes for a healthier future. Integrating these foods into your diet. Incorporating foods that promote blood circulation and prevent clots into your daily meals can be enjoyable and beneficial for your health. Start by planning your meals around these health-boosting ingredients. For breakfast, consider a smoothie packed with berries, spinach, and a scoop of yogurt, or enjoy oatmeal topped with sliced bananas and a sprinkle of cinnamon. For lunch, try a vibrant salad featuring mixed greens, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. For extra protein, add grilled chicken or chickpeas. For dinner, experiment with turmeric and ginger dishes, such as stir-fries or curry, paired with brown rice or quinoa. Remember to snack on fruits like oranges or grapes throughout the day. Variety in your diet is essential for maintaining balance and ensuring you receive a wide range of nutrients. Integrating these foods into your meals allows you to enjoy delicious flavors while supporting cardiovascular health. Consulting with healthcare professionals. Regarding blood clot prevention, consulting with healthcare professionals is crucial for receiving personalized medical advice tailored to your needs. Each individual's health situation is unique, and a doctor can provide insights based on your medical history, lifestyle, and existing conditions. Discussing these plans with your healthcare provider is essential if you consider dietary changes to support your cardiovascular health. They can help you understand how certain foods may interact with your medications or how they fit into your overall health strategy. While incorporating natural remedies and health-boosting foods is beneficial, it's important to remember that these should complement, not replace, any prescribed medical treatments. Your healthcare team can guide you on the best approach to integrate these changes safely and effectively. By prioritizing open communication with your healthcare professionals, you can take proactive steps toward preventing blood clots while ensuring your overall health remains a top priority. Let's work together for a healthier future. We discussed the benefits of incorporating fruits like berries, oranges, and grapes, as well as healthy fats from olive oil and avocados. We also highlighted the importance of herbs and spices such as turmeric and cayenne pepper, staying hydrated, and maintaining an active lifestyle. Being proactive about your health is essential, and making these dietary adjustments and lifestyle modifications can significantly reduce your risk of blood clots. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your well-being. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these health tips. Together, we can create a community focused on better health and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable insights in our future videos.